queens, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke budgets, and on here we do custom budget paying off for that and minor business, not necessarily in them for orders, but if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead, subscribe, like, turn the notification bell on, leave a comment, and do all the things. Okay, so in today's video, as you guys can see, we are doing savings bingo. Savings bingo, savings bingo, savings bingo. So we're gonna be doing savings bingo today. So no shade, no tea. Get your money ready with me, okay? Okay, y'all. So we have the setup for savings bingo. Okay, get into her. Get into her. Y'all see all this? Y'all see all this? Okay, get into her. So these are the saving bingo sheets, which can be found on my Ko-fi page. That is down in the description box, so go ahead and click that link if you guys want to go ahead and print these for free and join the saving challenge. But how it works, okay, you get the sheets, boom, you can pick whichever part of the group you want to be in, whether that's butterfly gang, girly fam, or flower stand. Pick your warrior, pick your fighter, okay, and then let's get into it. And then what happens, I'm going to pull 7 numbers every week from our handy dandy bingo, right here, and we are going to basically mark them off. Now these are the only numbers which, if you get a B, that number is specifically for you, because each of the bingo sheets has 5 of the numbers in B. There's 15 numbers, so 3 of the B's are on butterfly gang, 3 of the B's are on girly fam, and then 3 of the B's are on flower stand. They're never the same, so regardless, one of these sheets will get you bingo. Okay, so you will get I will do 7 pulls, like I said, and then you can put that anywhere on the sheet as long as you in the vicinity, my boy. As long as you there, sis. You got it, and you can do that. So, are you guys ready? Because this is the number of chances. Now, once you get bingo, you do have to save $20, and I know it's a lot. 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 But this low key is like a mini big a medium saving challenge, because I think it saves you like $150 and then you can go above that. Or if you don't want to do a bingo, then you can do the individual numbers, because they go from 1 through 9, except for the B's, which goes from 1 through 15. So, and everything else, the I, N, G, and O goes from 1 through 9. So yeah, if you guys are ready, okay, let's start the bingo. Let's do it. Y'all see me in my Christmas PJs? Okay, come on. All right, so we're rolling for 7. All right, so here we go. 1. All right, y'all, we got 7 numbers that have been rolled and is out here and available. So let's see who is there. Now for me personally, I am going for the girly fam. I'm gonna be in the pinks vicinities. I'm gonna be with them, but overall I gotta give y'all everything, but mine is gonna be girly fam, so I will be saving off of girly fam. I'm just gonna let y'all see the numbers where they are. So let's go. So we have a 073. Now bear in mind the numbers too from the bingo balls, it's the second number. So this one is a 073. So this would be a 03. So if you have an O and a 3, then baby, that is you. So let me show y'all. So for this one, so see O3 right there. Okay, we got an 03 right there, and we got an 03 right here. Okay, so get into it. We got 2 03s. Okay, we got a white ball, and all the white ones are B's, only B's. So this number is B9. B9. Do it for B9. Okay, B9. Now we get to B9. So, girl, it's B9. But we got a B9, and the 9 is only on girly fam. I picked the right one on the right day. First of all, there are no 3 over there, so these 2, so everybody get 1 already. Okay, we excited right now. We excited. Okay, everybody got 1 of them. Okay, so get into it. Focus. There we go. Next, I-22. I-22. I want to be in the bingo hall so bad. I-22, y'all. So I-22. So we got an I with a 2. Who's, ooh, girly fam. I-22. Okay. I-22 for the girly fam. Alright, alright. So I-2, because it's the second number on the ball, y'all. It's the second number on the ball. So I-2. Okay, and I's, okay, okay. Next number. O-64, which is 04. 04. We got an 04. 04. Ain't nobody getting another. Okay, spicy. Okay, no 04s. No, for nobody. Alright, cool. We got three more numbers, y'all. 3 more numbers. Oh shoot, I almost dropped the thing. Just shaking the table. Almost dropped the thing, y'all. Mind me. Okay, my bad. G58. So this is G8. G8. Okay, so G8. Who got some 8s? Nobody. Oh, this is spicy. This is spicy. Okay, we got a O68. O, which means this is a 08. 08. Okay. Oh, come on. Girl fam out here want to take all my money. Look at her. She is ready. 08. Okay. Let's see. Now, Flower Fam ain't no, loose chicken either. She out there. She coming. I don't even know how I get to loose chicken, y'all, but that's where we at. And then the final ball for this week is 061. 061, which means this is a 01. 01. Okay. So, Girly Fam is a 01 and Butterfly Gang is a 01. Okay, so 01 and then Girly Fam is a 01. Okay. So now, y'all, those are the 7 that we have chosen this week, and those are then marked off. So let me tell you guys how much each sheet is going to be saving, depending on who you're choosing, y'all, where we at right now. So, okay, so for Butterfly Gang, if you did choose Butterfly Gang as your fighter, okay, you are saving $4 this week, okay, $4. Okay, Butterfly Gang is saving $4. If you are Girly Fam this week, you are saving 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1. You are saving $20 this week. If you are Girly Fam, you are saving $20 this week. You already like big bank. $20 this week for Girly Fam. Okay, and if you are a flower stan, you are saving $11 this week. $11 this week for Girly Stan. And you can keep these marked off. Well, you guys want to mark them off. I have the, the numbers and things on them. Little circle things on them to let me know. But yeah, y'all, so that is savings bingo the first Saturday. So it's gonna be every Saturday, like I said, this month, every Saturday. Y'all see the board? The board is already lit. You see the numbers? The board is already lit. So let me know in the comment box, how'd you guys like the savings bingo? Let me know which one did you choose. If you were a Butterfly Gang, Girly Fam, flower stand, which sheet are you? And then how much is you saving this week? Because baby, they're coming for our pockets. Okay, our pockets. Alright, so I will see you guys next week for us to go through and see where we're at, baby, because we love to see it. Alright, so my name is Aneke. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, we just posted yesterday the setup. I think it's the setup. Okay, come on, it's a budget book setup, because baby, we're going into 2025 and we want to make sure we is good. So baby girl, She eats down. Okay, you see her, she eats down. So we started doing the setup and we had conversations and stuff. We had good kiki. So if you'd like to see that video, go ahead and check it because it's coming up right now. And yeah, 2025 is only like 23 days away, 24 days away. Crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful 2025. I hope you guys are loving Vlogmas because baby, your girl is loving Vlogmas over here. And 7 days down, you know, up to 25 to go. Get into it. And yeah, go ahead and watch that video, like I said, from yesterday, or watch the actual Vlogmas playlist. Like, I'm gonna leave y'all with that. I'm gonna leave y'all with the Vlogmas playlist and get into her, see all the things. And yeah, so my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.